Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can delete Credit Karma account. So let's jump right in. First, open the Credit Karma app on your phone. If you haven't already installed it, you can get it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you have the app, log in using your account credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. From here, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen to open the main menu. In the menu, scroll down and select Profile under the Settings section. You'll now see a page with your personal information, including your name, address, and contact preferences. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll find three options: Download My Information, Close My Account, and Contact Member Support. Since we're here to delete the account, go ahead and tap Close My Account. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to permanently close it. Tap Yes, Close My Account to finish the process.